Welcome back to Digital Dropshipping Mastery. Inside of this video right now, we're getting towards some of the final stages of week 1 and actually wrapping up your product now inside of this video, which includes naming it and actually making it look pretty from the outside with some interesting analogies. So let's go ahead, hop on my computer and get moving. So this is where we really do some of the final lifting for preparing our product to actually sell. So we're gonna wrap it up and present it and make it attractive for our potential customers, because we know our brand's ideal audience and we know the value we're providing and how that ties together. So now the first step is to actually take this product's content and turn it into a sellable asset. And step 1 of this is choosing the name for our product. And this isn't a ton of text, but it's important for you to understand and actually take this serious, because we're in the final stages of wrapping up our product, getting it ready to sell, and we're taking what was once just first our idea several videos ago, the beginner's breathwork PDF guide, and now I've turned it into the 7-figure success breathing guide. And this was the first name that came to mind for this product idea, and it's very much so based on the exact market that I'm looking to target, and that's why I called it that. My audience is going to be up-and-coming, high-level individuals who are eager to attain new habits that are going to help them grow. And through my breathwork PDF and my brand and my products, I'm going to be able to provide specific, unique value and solve a pain point that they have with an opportunity that they aren't familiar with, which is going to make them curious. So we focus on the 3 points here that we've been working on: the audience demographic, the pain points, and then the unique value proposition. So we've gone all the way with my example from choosing meditation as the niche to now the 7-figure success breathing guide. And that's why it's important that you follow all the steps throughout the most recent videos, because we've gone from a meditation ebook to something very specific, reaching a specific audience, a specific market.